Hi friends, in this video we are going to showing how to configure message node in OpenAM. What is the message node? The message node is nothing but the message authentication node allows you to represent a custom or localized message to the user. It means that it will give some information to the user when you authenticating user. So alongside this message, you can provide a localized positive or negative responses that the user can select to proceed. It means so it will give a like an option to select yes or no like that. So according to that, the authentication mechanism will be triggered. So for example, would you like to log in with OTP? Yes, please. Option one, like option two, no, thanks. So it is almost similar to or the one of the node like a choice node, choice collector node. Choice collector node and message node both are similar. So there also we have options to select the authentication mechanism. So here also we can give the options to select the authentication mechanism, but you're treating as an answer. You're considering as an answer like yes or no, positive answer and negative answer like that. Okay. So I will show you the example in the OpenAM how to configure message node. So this is the OpenAM application URL. Login into the OpenAM application by using AM admin user. Once you log in into the application, here we have two realms. So I'm going to configuring the same in the employee realm. So click on the employee realm. Go to authentication. Go to trees, and here we can create tree. You can give the tree name like message node test. Okay. Click on create. So by default we have a start and failure node. So now we need message node. So message node by default two outcomes we have, that is a true and false. So this the right side you can see the message and positive answer and negative answer we have. Okay, here message we can give any message like it to display on the screen, like display like you can put it any English like that and you can display. Would you like to log in with OTP question mark? So it's like asking question. So here positive answer if it is a yes like that. Okay. So give EN and yes please. And here negative answer. So click on add English. You can give key name anything. Okay. But here you can give the like a language name is better to display the specific language. But here I have given EN English. And here answer is like no, thanks. So click on plus button. So now click little say temporarily and drag start to message node from message node. Okay, if you first answer the positive answer yes please, it means like it has to log in with OTP. So for this we will take username collector. So true to username. After username, so we will generate OTP. After OTP generation, we have to validate the OTP. That is a OTP collector decision. So OTP having true or false. If it is a true, go to success success node. Success node. If it is a false, go to failure. So this is login with OTP. Now, if we user click on no thanks, then it has to go normal username and password. So take the page node, insert that, take the username collector and password collector, drag from false to page node. It means it is asking, it will ask username and password, and then take data store decision, and data store decision having true or false outcomes. So if authentication successful, the true goes to success node, and false go to failure node. Okay. So here we have two authentication mechanisms. So if user will select login with OTP, it will go to the username collector, OTP generation and OTP decision, and either success or failure. On the same way, we have if user will select the no thanks, so it will go to the username and password and do data store decision authentication. And here you have two outcomes. So true or false. True go to the success, false go to the failure. So this is similar to what is that node? The similar to choice collector node. Okay, so you can remember message node and choice collector both are similar, but the way of internally it's different. Like asking positive answer, negative answer, but choice collector is it will give the choice to select it like that. Okay. Now click on the save option. Click on the save button. Okay, now open the ignition tab. So here one thing I forgot to tell you. So HOTP generator and OTP collector. So after HOTP generator, we need to send that OTP to registered email address, correct? So OTP email sender. So we have to take this one. We forgot this one. Okay. So we have to take generator. After generator, we have to send to email. From email sender to OTP decision. Here we have to configure email server details. So in the previous videos also I have given Mailtrap is one of the email inbox server. So you can use this one. It's a free of cost. So if you can sign up in this Mailtrap by using the Google account. Yeah, this is the ISMTP server host name. Paste it here, and port is 465. Like here we have, and username can copy here, paste it here, and password copy here and paste it here, and from address you can give any like info something, example.com, something like this. That attribute, what is the attribute? The attribute name is mail, because of mail containing the email ID. So now here you can select the no SSL TSL. So now click on save. So now we have configured email SMTP server details. Okay. Now copy this node or tree name and open ignition tab. Type the URL and AM and XUI and question mark realm equal to employee and service equal to this one message node test. Yeah, here you can see, would you like to log in with OTP? So yes or no, like that. So if you click on S, it will go to just username and then ask the OTP. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Replace all. If I am clicking no thanks, it will ask username and password. Okay. So now I'm going to enter username of the one of the user. Yeah, the authentication successful. Can you click log out again? Go to login page. So I'm going to clicking yes please. It means would you like to log in with OTP? Yes please. So now enter the username demo. So now OTP will be generated and sent to email. Okay. Now go to email inbox. Yeah, here we have received OTP. Take this OTP, paste it here, and click on login. Yeah, it's login successful. So here we have two options login. Like, would you like to log in with the OTP? Yes, please, or no, thanks. So we have implemented two authentication process mechanisms. Okay, so finally, this message node and choice collector both are similar. So the way of your representation is different. Okay. Yeah, this is the example we have given. So thank you for watching the video. Please share the comments and subscribe to get latest updates from Narayana tutorial channel. Thank you. Thank you once again.